Hello everyone, today ay magluluto tayo ng dried seaweed with soft tofu. Ito yung dried seaweed, ibaba natin ito sa tubig na mga about 30 minutes para lalambot. After sa pagbabad ng dried seaweed, hugasan ito at i-drain. Ready na ang lahat mga ingredients, minced pork, tofu, and boneless dried fish, and dried seaweed. First is, ipan-fry muna natin yung boneless dried fish. Ipan-fry lang ito ng mabilisan. And then, ipan-fry din yung minced pork. Yung minced pork, di-marinate ko lang siya ng light soy sauce, sugar, at cornstarch. Ayan, nagpakulo na ko ng tubig, ilagay na yung minced pork, dried fish, and tofu. Pakuluan lang ito ng mga about 30 minutes in low flame. And then, lagyan ito ng chicken powder, ground white pepper, and kunting asin. After 30 minutes, ilagay na yung dried seaweed. And then, turn off the flame and let it rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it's done. Ready to serve ng ating sabaw. Thank you for watching.